Hey kids, want to know what makes the ground rumble like your tummy before lunch? All right, picture this. The Earth is like a giant puzzle made of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but super slowly, like a snail on a lazy day. Sometimes these plates get stuck when they try to slide past each other. But they don't like being stuck, so they keep pushing and pushing. When they finally break free, boom! That's an earthquake. Think of it like snapping your fingers. When you press them together, they resist, but when they finally slip, they make a snap sound. The Earth's snap is the earthquake. Most earthquakes are tiny and you wouldn't even feel them, like a whisper. But some can be big and feel like a giant jumping up and down. So next time the Earth gives a little shake, you'll know it's just those puzzle pieces moving around. Cool, right? Stay curious and keep exploring.